Are you having problems with the stickers being missing on your Instagram? Well, then you have come to the right video, because I'm going to show you exactly how to fix this, but make sure that you watch this until the very end so that you don't make any mistakes in this process. So the first thing I'm going to do is to, of course, come to my Instagram app and then come to my profile right here, as you can see. So what we're actually going to do first is to click on the three lines in the top right corner. So click on the three lines. And in here, what I'm going to do is to actually click where it says settings. So click on settings in here. Perfectly, as you can see, we're now taken to this page right here. I'm just going to scroll down and then click on help in here. And as you can see, I'm now taken here. What we need to do in here is to click where it says reports a problem. So click on reports a problem, and then once again click on reports a problem. And then you should be taken to this page right here. As you can see, in here I'm just going to click on include and continue. Perfect, we're now taken to this page. So we need to write something like this to Instagram. I am missing the stickers on my Instagram account. Please fix this for me, because this is an important function for me. Basically, you can write something like this, and when you're done, just click on send in the top right corner. So give it like 1 to 3 business days, and hopefully after that this should be fixed for you. What you can also do is to actually go into your app store if you have an iPhone, or Google Play if you have an Android phone, and check if you have the latest update on your Instagram app. And you know that by actually searching for Instagram and see what it says on the Instagram app. Does it say like update or just open? If it says update, that means that you don't have the latest update on your Instagram. So click on update and then basically go back to your Instagram app and see if that will solve your issue. And if it just says open, then that means that you actually have the latest Instagram version. So you can actually not really do anything right now. Just try what I explained to you in this video and see if that would solve your issue. So basically, this is exactly how to do this. Let me know in the comments below if you have any questions, and I will do my very best to try to help you. And also, please leave a like on this video and subscribe to my channel, because I'm doing a lot of helpful videos constantly that might be very useful to you. Thank you very much for watching, and I wish you an awesome day.